Banana flour is an alkaline food which effectively neutralizes the stomach acid secretions and offers respite from indigestion, ulcers, and pain. Apart from this, high on dietary fiber and other vital nutrients, banana flours work as a natural laxative and regularize bowel functions and treat constipation. Some advantages of eating banana flour are: regulates menstrual cycle, it is the best food for lactating mothers and diabetes patients, cures anemia, provides effective function of kidneys, relieves you from constipation, cures ulcer, reduces high blood pressure, strengthens uterus. Hence, dear viewers, it is recommended that intake of banana flours in various forms will definitely increase your health. Thank you and have a nice day.